Hey everybody, I'm Zach, and we are headed off to do some aluminum repairs today. I have a buddy up the road here that has a big aluminum flagpole that they left the flag on it during a ice storm we had over the winter, and I guess the bolts in the base of it were a little loose, so it was flopping in the breeze there, and it cracked the cast aluminum base to the thing, and we're trying to avoid taking the whole flagpole down. It looks like it'd be a huge production. They had to use a big boom lift, so we're just going to go ahead and try and weld the thing up in place today, and hopefully that will hold. I'm a little hesitant to do it this way, but it'd be a huge production to take the thing down. So we're going to go ahead and just see if we can do an in-place repair. I got the Miller Dynasty behind me here. We're going to run that off the Trailblazer today, and hopefully we can just knock this one out real quick because it's fixing to rain here, and yeah, hopefully we can beat the rain. So yeah, let's go. absolute prettiest repair in the world, but considering it's pretty windy and raining out here this morning, I'll take that. We just had the Dynasty here, running off the Trailblazer, and got the wireless foot pedal and my heavy hitters TIG torch. Anyway, I'm gonna get packed up here before it really starts raining. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little repair video here. I just took a grinder with a rock wheel in it, just kind of cleaned it out, welded her up, and on to the next one.